Welcome to Inspired Healing Meditations, intuitively channeled for your highest good. Set your sacred space by lighting a candle, playing your favorite relaxing music, having a journal close by. Trust your inner knowing, trust your imagination, and know that all of this unfolds for your highest good and your highest healing. You are healing the planet and healing yourself. Feel free to leave a comment or a question, and I'm happy to connect more with you about this process. Much love. Enjoy today's meditation. In today's healing meditation, you are guided to ground with earth and sky. You are guided to recognize yourself as a channel for love energy on this earth. You are guided to release the stories, the people, the experiences of the past. Bless it all, release it, and grow in your brightness. Looking forward to the new experiences of this beautiful life that are on their way to you right now. Enjoy today's meditation. Let's jump into today's healing meditation. Close your eyes and turn your outer gaze inward. We bring our awareness to our heart space and we take a deep breath. We visualize the heart of Mother Earth in our mind's eye. And as we inhale, we receive love from Mother Earth. And as we exhale, we send love to the heart of Mother Earth. Take a few deep breaths at your own pace, giving and receiving with Mother Earth. And as we exhale, we feel ourselves grounding down even more into the earth, expanding this root of belonging. We bring our awareness to the sun, God energy, the heart of the sun. We breathe with the sun, giving and receiving. As we inhale, we receive the beautiful golden rays of the sun into our own hearts. And as we exhale, we return the love. We feel the connection grow. And on our next breath, as we inhale, we bring this earth and sun energy into our heart space, expanding the love inside of us and around us, creating a beautiful love bubble around our whole body. We begin with gratitude. We are so grateful for this breath. We're grateful for this life. We're grateful for this body. We're grateful for our minds, our ability to think, create, move, and expand. We say thank you for the gifts of this human life. In our mind's eye, we see our feet firmly planted on the ground. In gratitude, here we belong. To this earth we belong. We bring our awareness to gratitude for all people and experiences of our past who have brought us to this place where we are today. In our mind's eye, we visualize each person. We release the stories of the past, the stories of hurt, or anger. We release the stories of not enough. We release the stories of grief and sadness. We release all of the stories. We visualize the connection between each individual of our past. We visualize this connection beginning to smooth out, beginning to soften, open, and release with our breath. As we exhale, we loosen the hold on these people and these stories in order to stand more fully in our power. We no longer need the stories of the past to influence our present reality, our future reality. And as we release, the brightness in our heart grows stronger, and in our mind's eye, we take a step forward. Free, growing in freedom, expanding in flexibility, strengthening our connection to our highest self, to our God self. And we say thank you for this opportunity to release, to let go, to become more of who we are meant to be on this planet. And we say thank you. And in our mind's eye, we see some people ahead coming toward us coming toward them. And we know new experiences, new people, new places are on their way to us right now. And we can say thank you for all that we will learn and all the ways we will grow. We say thank you for all the experiences we will have that will help us shine even brighter, as we are meant to do as human beings on this planet at this time. We are meant to grow our light, to heal ourselves, to live with joy, abundance, love, ecstasy, simply being and enjoying all that this earth offers to us to experience. And we say thank you for everything and everyone on their way to us right now. We bless the past. We bless the present. We bless the future. And we say thank you. When you're ready, you can move your fingers and your legs. When you feel ready, you can open your eyes and move toward your journal. Take at least 8 minutes or so to free write, to allow yourself to express, to release, to realize even more deeply your truth. Enjoy your writing experience. Much love.